So there's a problem. I just want to highlight to you and a possible solution. There's so many solutions, but I'm going to highlight just one for you. So Jim and Jane are married in community of property. They have 2 kids. Now, both of them are concerned that if either of one of them passes away, the other one might just end up getting married again. Now, they understand that when love strikes, right, a lot of the times people don't think clearly and they might just get married in community or property. What happens in this instance? They are then concerned that, okay, if Jim or Jane then ends up getting married, they're going to also incorporate these assets that, these 2 people have built with now a new spouse, right? And what does that do? It then compromises the inheritance of the kids, which is something that they don't want to do. Now, what could be the possible solution here for Jim and Jane since they have this concern? Possible solution: draft a joint will. Why a joint will? So, in the joint will, you could actually incorporate a condition that says whatever's left after the first dying spouse is going to go to the surviving spouse, provided it's going to move to the kids. What this means then is the surviving spouse is obviously not going to be able to encumber those properties. They're not going to be able to get rid of them or sell them or actually, get them to form part of the new marriage in case they do get married after losing their spouse. This means that the children will now be guaranteed to get an inheritance here. But now, the downfall about this is if Jane is in a situation and wants to sell one of the properties because she wants to realize them and make a bit of cash, she's not going to be able to do that because she has inherited those things, provided they have to trickle down to those kids. So it's a solution. It's one to think about, but there's also other solutions that you could also think about. So something I wanted to put out there.